the goal in this round of Touch of Death is drain life from ogres to stay alive. With your upgraded glasses, you can use distance 2 to measure the distance in meters to a target unit or position. In this level, you use that to drain the life from functions that come too close. There's a lot of skills and things that we have here, and there's a lot going on. Hey, relax. Alright, so we're gonna drain the life from an enemy. Alright. If the enemy is more than 15 meters away from us, we're gonna cast the spell on them. What? Can cast drain life on the enemy at the target. As we're going to attack the enemy. I think I got it. So we have an enemy, these little blue people down here. If they're less than 15 feet away, we're gonna hit them with a bow and if they're close up, we're gonna hit them with the oh, what happened? What do we do? What do we do? Oh, I initialized it, but I didn't even cast the daggone thing. Let's do that. Okay, so we defined what castable is, which, wait a minute, that would be cast, wouldn't it? Where would castable come from?